All right, time for unboxing video number 3. Raya, will you bring us whatever one you think we should open?
Yep.
Why, thank you, official package delivery girl. All right, we have a lovely box here.
She is our press agent.
Press agent and wardrobe specialist.
Yes. What do we have?
A box.
With nothing to...
Oh, Ryan, will you pass us the scissors? Brian, do you want to open this one?
I'd be proud to.
All right.
Scissor Express.
All right, I'll hold it. You open it.
Okay.
Do not stab me.
I love how these pink scissors look with my complexion.
Ooh. Don't stab you.
Stab me if I want to. Should we keep going?
The suspense.
It's missing 2 fingers.
See?
Oh,
Oh, it's got very sweet little hands. Oh, she's beautiful.
heavy too. Oh.
All right, you got her. I'm gonna move the box. Oh, she's gorgeous.
And
Pick her up so I can move the box. Ah, there we
guys, she's into metal.
go. Oh my gosh, look at this baby. It's just like she looks a lot like Leaf, like the one from the 60-Second Dog,
Yeah,
only she's
yeah.
way bigger.
Welcome to the family, little Leaf.
But look, oh my gosh. You know, except for the lack of eyeballs. But oh, she's
Very
just
good.
gorgeous. Let's see her little feet. What sort of feet are going on? Oh, she's got soft feet. Here's her soft feet. There they are. Oh,
They really
soft
need
feet
to
with
come up
little
with that
ribbons.
Touch of vision so you can feel the soft
Yeah, the
feet.
soft feet. Oh, and her clothes are really nice. Oh, they're so pretty. There's like a sheer layer over her little nightgown.
Well,
Oh
let's
my
not
gosh.
get crazy. That baby is certainly unsettling. It's not all cute and glamour here.
Oh, but it's unsettlingly cute.
I need a home. What else? What are we shooting now?
That's it. I was just gonna say, that's it for our unboxing for today. This is the beautiful Bisque baby, and we love her. She will be up for adoption on our website and on Instagram pretty soon. If anyone is interested in adopting this sweet little one, she would make an awesome addition to anyone's household.
Or rock band.
And her lack of eyes.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you for sending that all for adoption, and thank you to everyone for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more weird unboxing videos.